Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to take off your keycaps. It's easy. Just need to get one of these. Just give me a second. Then you put it like this. When it's easy, I'm just putting it in a needle. So you just go under it. Let me show it to you again. You put it under. No. You put it under. You pull up, and it will come out. And if you wonder what I use, is a Deltron switch. Okay. Well, that's how you do it. Sorry for the quality, is because I'm using like a knitter phone, like the one that I usually use, because like the other one needs to go fixing, like it needs to get fixed. So, peace.